Your car is choking on nearly half its own power, and I've got the receipts to prove it. Last week, a customer paid me $1,200 to fix something a 30-second trick could have prevented. After 20 years of watching dealerships quietly milk drivers for billions, I am done staying quiet. Today, I'm exposing 14 underground car tricks that your manufacturer never wanted you to know. Each one is simple, cheap, and brutally effective. Stick around. The last trick costs only $12, takes 5 minutes, and it's the reason my truck hit 387,000 miles without a single major repair. Oh, and before we begin, if you love saving money and keeping your car running like new, hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, your car will thank you later. Let's dive in. Number 14. The throttle body reset trick. Modern cars use electronic throttles, tiny computers that learn your driving habits. Slow starts, soft acceleration, low rev limits, it all gets stored. Even after you change your oil or spark plugs, your car still drives like it's half asleep. Dealers charge $150 to recalibrate it. But here's the secret, you can do it in under a minute for free. Step 1. Turn the key to on without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the gas pedal all the way down for 10 seconds. Step 3. Turn the key off, release the pedal, and wait another 10 seconds. Start the engine, and boom. The throttle relearns everything fresh, like giving your car a clean personality reset. One of my customers texted me after trying it. Feels 20% faster. Instant throttle response, smoother idle, and the best part. Manufacturers rarely mention it because it exposes how much performance your car's been hiding. Number 13. The intake cleaning power boost. Pop your hood after 30,000 miles and look inside the throttle body. That sticky black coating? That's carbon buildup. Dealers charge $300 plus for intake cleaning. You can do it yourself for under $10 with CRC or Seafoam intake cleaner. Warm up the engine, spray directly into the intake while holding 2000 RPM. It'll stumble, smoke, and cough, that's normal. You're literally burning off years of carbon gunk. Once the smoke clears, you'll feel smoother idle, stronger acceleration, and sometimes better MPG by 2 to 3 miles per gallon. I've seen customers save $400 a year just from this trick alone. And yeah, it's the same process dealers secretly charge hundreds for. Number 12. The transmission lifesaver hack. Ever heard, sealed for life? That's dealership talk for sealed until the warranty expires. Here's the truth. Transmission fluid breaks down, and I've replaced dozens of transmissions that failed right after warranty. 60,000 miles do a partial drain and refill every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Each time replaces only a third of the fluid, but after 3 services, you've refreshed it all. This keeps your system clean and avoids the shock of a full flush. Customer brought me a slipping Civic. Dealer wanted $3,800. We did 3 partial refills, cost $120. Shifts became crisp again. Problem solved. Number 11. The spark plug gap secret. Most people think spark plugs are pre-gapped, but in 20 years, I've never seen one actually perfect out of the box. Even a small gap difference, just 0.02 inches, can waste fuel or cause misfires. The trick? Tighten the gap slightly smaller than factory spec. It strengthens the spark, improves combustion, and smooths idle instantly. I tried this on a Mazda 3 that idled rough. After adjustment, it ran like new. Free performance, zero risk. Dealers never tell you this because it tweaks emissions, but it's harmless for daily drivers who want sharper throttle and smoother revs. Number 10. The oxygen sensor refresh. Dealers love selling O2 sensors. They'll charge $280 for a new one when yours might just be dirty. Instead of replacing it, remove the sensor. Soak the tip overnight in gasoline or sensor-safe cleaner, dry it, and reinstall. It restores accuracy, improves mileage, and can remove that slight hesitation under throttle. I've saved customers thousands doing this, literally reviving sensors that read like new. Number 9. The Airbox Breather Trick. Your airbox is designed for quietness, not performance. It restricts airflow to meet noise and emissions laws. The fix is simple. Drill 2 or 3 small holes on the cold side of the airbox, before the filter. Cooler, denser air flows in, giving smoother acceleration and slightly better mileage. Don't go overboard, just small holes under the lid. One Civic gained 2 mpg and felt way more responsive. 5 minutes, 1 drill bit, and your car breathes again. Number 8. The MAF Sensor Magic Fix. The MAF, mass airflow, sensor is your engine's brain. When it gets coated in dust, it lies, making your car run rich, waste gas, and kill spark plugs. Most people replace it for $150. You shouldn't. Just clean it. Unplug the sensor, spray gently with MAF cleaner, never brake cleaner, let it dry, reinstall. Instant smoother idle, stronger pull, and better throttle response. I've seen SUVs jump from 14 to 18 mpg from this $8 fix. Dealers do this before, replacing it and still bill you for the new part. Number 7. The Fuel Filter Visibility Trick. Dealers claim fuel filters are lifetime. Translation: lifetime until warranty ends. Install a small transparent inline fuel filter between the tank and engine bay. Now you can actually see what fuel your engine's drinking. Once it darkens, swap it for a $6 replacement, no tank removal, no $1,000 repair. This tiny tweak saves fuel pumps and injectors from slow death. A small piece of plastic, huge peace of mind. Number 6. The Water Vapor Cleanse. Sounds insane, right? Pouring water into an engine? But the water vapor decarbonization trick is real and powerful. When a fine mist of water enters a hot combustion chamber, it flashes into steam. That steam blasts away years of carbon buildup inside your engine. The result? Cleaner pistons, smoother idle, restored power, like your engine lost 100,000 miles overnight. But caution! Pour too fast and you'll hydrolock your engine. Always use a fine mist, patience, and steady throttle. Do it right, and the results are magic. Number 5. The Coil Pack Upgrade. Ignition coils from certain models or brands are interchangeable, and some are stronger. For example, Nissan and Infiniti share mounts and connectors. Swapping to a stronger compatible coil boosts spark stability and throttle response instantly. It's a small mod, but the difference is night and day. One customer's Maxima felt brand new after this, all for $60 from a salvage yard. Number 4. The ECU Relearn Reset. After battery disconnection or major service, your ECU relearns fuel trims and idle control. But most people never let it reset cleanly. Here's how to do it right. Turn key to on, don't start, wait 10 seconds. Then start and let it idle untouched for 15 minutes. No AC, no throttle, nothing. This allows the ECU to recalibrate perfectly. The result? Buttery smooth throttle, steady idle, cleaner shifts. Dealers call it a reprogram and charge $150 for this exact same thing. Number 3. The Timing Advance Trick. Engines leave the factory tuned conservatively for bad fuel and lazy maintenance. You can unlock hidden torque by advancing ignition timing slightly, or using premium fuel to let the ECU self-advance. Run 2 or 3 tanks of 91 plus octane, reset ECU, and drive normally. The computer detects knock-free conditions and adjusts timing automatically. The payoff? Crisper acceleration, better fuel economy, and smoother power delivery. No tune required, no hardware change, just smarter driving. Number 2. The PCV Filter Mod. Your PCV valve controls pressure inside the engine. When it sticks, it sends oily vapor into your intake, causing carbon buildup and hesitation. Mechanics often install a small inline fuel filter in the PCV hose. It traps that oil mist before it reaches your intake. The result? Cleaner valves, reduced carbon, and more stable idle. Costs $3, takes 1 minute to install. Dealers sell this as a $150. Ketchkin system, same result. Number 1. The Oil Additive Edge. Even premium oil loses friction protection over time. Manufacturers say never add anything. But independent mechanics know better. A molybdenum or ZDDP-based additive coats internal parts with microscopic protection film. It reduces wear, lowers temperature, and keeps oil pressure stable. Engines treated with it run smoother, quieter, and last longer. One customer's old Corolla went from rattling at idle to whisper quiet after one treatment, and it ran another 40,000 miles without issue. Manufacturers don't like it because it makes their synthetic oil intervals look weak, but in real-world driving, it's a game changer. You just learned 14 underground card tricks that cost less than $100 total, but can save you over $5,000 in repairs. Start simple. Try the throttle reset trick right after this video. It costs nothing and takes 30 seconds. And remember, none of this works without consistency. These aren't hacks, they're smarter ways to maintain your car like a pro. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this with someone who's tired of paying dealership prices. On your screen right now is the $12 monthly ritual that doubled my truck's engine life, 387,000 miles and counting, 0 major repairs. Click it now, and I'll show you exactly how to make your engine last forever.